In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Squarespace settings to check the status of your website and manage your domains effectively. This guide is designed to help you ensure that your website is running smoothly and that you know exactly where to look if you suspect any issues with your Squarespace site. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're on the home page, log in with your account credentials. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on the dashboard, which acts as the central hub for all your website management needs. The dashboard is intuitively designed, so you should have no trouble navigating to the options available to you. Next, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. You will notice an option labeled Settings. Click on this tab, and it will lead you to a more detailed menu where you can manage various aspects of your website. Under the Settings menu, look for the option that says Domains and Email. This is where you will find all the domain-related options for your Squarespace site. Once you click on Domains and Email, a new page is going to load, revealing several additional options. Here, click on Domains. This section provides a comprehensive overview of all your domain settings. It's a good place to quickly check if your domain is functioning as expected. On this page, if your website is down or if there appears to be any issues that you can't readily resolve, Squarespace conveniently offers a service called status.squarespace.com. This is an important resource that allows you to check if Squarespace itself is experiencing any outages or known issues that might be affecting your website's performance. By visiting status.squarespace.com, you can easily access real-time updates about the service status. This could provide peace of mind by letting you know if the problem lies with Squarespace rather than your individual setup. Similarly, if there are no ongoing Squarespace outages, then this step will help you refocus your troubleshooting efforts back to other areas of your website configuration. Once you have reviewed your domain settings and potentially checked Squarespace's service status if needed, you've effectively completed the guide. This process not only ensures your website remains accessible, but also gives you the confidence to address any issues promptly when they occur. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to check and maintain your site's domain settings on Squarespace and quickly verify the service status if necessary. Remember, regular checks like these ensure that your online presence is always running at its best. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial insightful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.